Over there is the center of the city, which is where I need to go. I just came from over here, which is more quieter. When I arrived at the train station yesterday, I go in Romania, be prepared to climb steps. And this guy here, there's many pubs, restaurants, even hotels that you could stay at. I think that's what she said. Very expensive and not. I found the fortress. I found it. Now I am here very early, so nothing is open, and a lot of these. And I want to get into the clock tower, but I don't think it's open. This is the plaza, the center plaza, and as you can see, nobody is around right now because in search of the clock tower. Not going.